In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kern text in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, understanding how to adjust the spacing between letters, also known as kerning, can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your text. With Canva's user-friendly tools, this process is straightforward and can really make your design stand out. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open your Canva project where you wish to adjust the text. Once you've got your project open, the first thing you need to do is click on the text box containing the word or phrase you're looking to modify. This will select the text and give you access to all the customization tools available in Canva. Now that your text is selected, direct your attention to the toolbar located above the design area. Among the various icons, find and click on the one that resembles a line with dots at both ends. This icon represents the spacing tool in Canva, which we will use to adjust our letter spacing. The spacing tool will reveal a drop-down menu, and here's where the magic happens. Look for the letter spacing option. Below this, you'll notice a slider control. This slider allows you to increase or decrease the spacing between letters in your selected text. To adjust the spacing, click and drag the slider to the left or right. Moving the slider to the right will increase the space between each letter, giving your text a more airy and spacious appearance. Conversely, sliding it to the left will decrease the space, bringing the letters closer together and potentially creating a more compact and cohesive look. The changes you make will immediately reflect on your text, allowing you to see the results in real time. A few tips to keep in mind as you adjust. Consider the overall aesthetic of your design. If your font choice is more elaborate, tighter letter spacing might help in keeping the legibility intact. On the other hand, for simpler or very wide set fonts, giving letters more space can enhance readability and make a dramatic visual impact. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, all that's left to do is finalize and save your design. Click the download button in the top right corner, choose your preferred format, and you're good to go. Your text is now beautifully kerned and ready to wow anyone who sees it. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to adjust letter spacing in Canva to ensure your text looks just right. Kerning is a small detail, but it can make a big difference in the overall presentation of your design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.